Hey friends, welcome back. Kaylor's Aquatics and Exotics, and wanted to check in. It's been maybe a month, maybe 6 weeks since this little guy was surrendered to the Ark, and he's a leopard gecko. It is a male. His name is Deo, D-E-O, and he always lets me know when he's hungry by coming and standing at his door. So I've got him some super worms here, and I just wanted to, he knows that sound too. Hey baby. He doesn't waste any time. Super worms are hard to get a hold of. So we'll see what happens. Get down, Rosie. He didn't see me put it in there. He's still waiting for it. Let me get him another one. You're sitting in your water. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. See it? He's watching me. Hey, buddy. He's so stinking cute. There are two of them down on the ground there. Let me hand it to him. Here. Get him. Get him. He's got some little... Yeah, it's on the ground. He's so focused on me. There we go, maybe. Here we go. Get him. Gives us a good view of why it's called a leopard gecko. And these guys are pretty territorial. Sorry about that. So best not to keep them in pairs or groups. It's okay to keep a pair together if they are indicating that they're ready to breed. But yeah, they can do some damage to each other. Trying to get some more worms out, super worms, since he did not eat those. Here's one. Here's one. There he goes. There. Get him. But he likes super worms. He likes crickets. And I give him the large crickets. He loves to sneak up on those guys. And his water does need to be changed. I hadn't done it since last night. And as you can imagine, he does like to sit in it and get it dirty. And also some of the material that I'm holding above it, digging around for super worms, has fallen down. That's what that is on his. Here, baby. Look at that. Oh. These worms are slippery. Slippery, dry, but slick. You got it. There's two others in there. I usually give him 6 or 8 of these. He looks like he's maintained the same weight that he was when I got him. I did not weigh him, but he's maintained his size and pretty much eats what he wants. I feed him at night, as these guys are typically primarily nocturnal. So that's one reason he came out. So all the tank lights go off. Of course it's dark, so he knows what time it is. But I have not tried to pick him up. Don't have any reason to do that. So let me go ahead and give him one or two more and change his water. And I'll leave the other two in there, of course. And he will find those. I never find any stragglers. Gets them right down. But his setup is he has a heating pad in this corner, and he likes that tree knocked over, or he knocks it over unintentionally. He can have some food, some not live food in there with calcium powder and other supplements on it. So that's what that little bowl's for. This is water bowl. His main hide is a ceramic hide, and it's got two smaller back doors. He knows that. Sometimes he'll run around and enter back there. This is just a wood hide. It's a good size. He can get in there and hide himself, but it's the cool side of his, the room temperature side. And then some more fake plants. And his potty is back in that corner, and real easy to clean up after him. Just pick it up with tissue, and then I've kept his carpet stuff in here, his reptile carpet, because it's so easy to clean. And that's what he's been on for a while. So yeah, we're at 7 minutes, and we'll say goodbye to Dale. But he's just ready to do a update and say hi to everybody. He was kind of scared when he first came. So guys, thanks for watching. Love you all, and we'll see you in the next video.